I bought a $20 dinnerware set from Target. In fact, I bought 2 of them. I was on Target's website trying to get some pink dinnerware to go along with my Easter Tablescape, and I found these sets of dinnerware that are $20. So I ordered 2 of them, and today we're going to look to see if I really got a bargain. So join me. Let's take a look at this $20 Target dinnerware set. So you guys know I love tablescaping. I tablescape for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, 4th of July, and every once in a while I bring in a couple other ones like Halloween or just some random celebration, right? So since Easter is coming up, spring is here, I need to start thinking about my Easter tablescape. And so I was on Target.com and I was looking for some dinnerware. I wanted some pink plates. And I noticed that they had these pink plates on sale, an entire dinnerware set for $20. So I ordered 2 of them. And to be honest with you, I had a gift card on my account because I had returned something. And when you use PayPal on Target, they refund to you as a gift card and not back to your account. So I had like $40 gift card. So I got these for about $2 plus my gift card, right? So I ordered them store pickup, and just before I was supposed to pick them up, they sent me an email saying they don't have them. So they shipped them to me for free. So I got 2 dinnerware sets, $42, something like that, and shipped right to my door. I'm a little afraid of what we're gonna find in this box. So we will see. You guys can let me know down in the comments, is this dinnerware that I should go with for Easter, or should I take them back to the store? So let's see. This box is a hot mess. It's falling apart. That is not Target's fault. That is the shipper, right? These things are almost falling out in the front there. If it wasn't for just a tiny bit of tape, this dinnerware, it would have been a dinnerware disaster. Because what are you going to get for $20, right? Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, it's heavy. So it's actual stoneware. Ooh, I hope I don't scratch my cooktop. So here we go. So this is called Avesta Blush Dinnerware Set, Project 62, dishwasher, microwave safe. You get 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, and 4 bowls for $20. Huh. So this is what it looks like. Oh, so this is why they call it Project 62. It says 1962 was a big year. Modernist design hit its peak and moved into homes across the country. And in Minnesota, Target was born with revolutionary idea to celebrate design for all. Project 62 embodies this legacy with a collection of modern dinnerware at a bargain price, right? $20. So, what do you guys think about this? You think we're in for a treat? Or you think we're in for a trick?
Well, if it's got the quality of that Kmart stuff I bought my mom, we're in for a treat.
Yeah. Eric, long time ago, bought his mom a set of dinnerware. It was called Farberware Tea Rose. And now, it's collectible.
Back then, it was only $25.
We got some dinner plates in here, I think. Boo. Ooh, they are pink. Sweet. I was worried because sometimes they say, oh, they're pink, and then they're not really pink.
So are they Easter Rabbit approved?
Are they bunny approved? Let's see. They're bunny approved. Look at that. $20. Yeah. Look at that. Project 62. May get hot in the microwave. A lot of things will do that. Though there's our $20 dinnerware. So I would say on first glimpse, if you're looking for some inexpensive dinnerware, particularly to run your tablescapes with, this is not a bad choice.
Who needs Pier 1?
Look at that.
Right, Boo?
I mean, one of the things with tablescaping is it's expensive. You're constantly buying different dinnerware sets and different glasses and all this stuff for the holidays. And if you can get a bargain like this, $20, right? I think we're in there like Flynn for Easter, Boo. For me, I just had to give up my gift card. Wow. Very impressed, Target. Very impressed. $20. They had a couple different well, actually, they had these in gray. So you didn't have a lot of color choices. Pink and gray. Technically, if I got gray, then I could...
Gray, you could do Columbus Day out on the high seas.
My Columbus Day tablescape in gray. So I know one thing that a lot of people ask, and it's a big change in the dinnerware industry. Look at these nice bowls.
Those are big.
These are nice big bowls. Wow.
We can eat some cereal.
Yeah, ice cream, right? So a lot of people have made comments about dinnerware sets. One of the things you'll notice is there's no cups with these. And I think there's like a big shift in the dinnerware industry because people are tired of getting mugs, right? They don't want all those mugs. So a lot of companies are eliminating the mugs out of the set. You have to buy mugs separately. People want to pair their own mugs or their own glassware with their dinnerware. So they're cutting these sets down. Do they cut the price down? No. Right?
Would that have been $30 if I had to consider the mugs?
It would have been 30.
I don't know.
Yeah. I'm fairly pleased so far with my $20 Target dinnerware. I don't think you can beat this. Truly, I don't think you can beat this. You could use this for every day. Your pink dinnerware for every day.
So, Boo-Boo, is this Peeps approved?
Peeps approved.
They didn't run. I guess they're happy.
Okay, Boo. And so we have our other 4 plates. Sweet. Target, you hooked me up big time, right? Really, really like this set. And here's the salad. Really nice. Don't really even see any flaws either. Here's our remaining bowls. They will come out. Wow. Okay. And our last 4 bowls. So, my opinion of this dinnerware set. So far, I really like it. For $20 for a service for 4, this was $40 for a service for 8. You can't go wrong. So this, I say we're going to use this for our Easter tablescape. There you go. Cute little pink color. I wonder if I can get little bunny plates to go for salad plates. We'll see what I can come up with. So, cooks, I think this $20 set of dinnerware set is awesome from Target. I'll put links down in the description if you want to take a look at it. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just think this is really cool. Really inexpensive dinnerware set like this can be used for lots of different holidays, and it doesn't really set you back in terms of overall cost of your tablescape. It makes tablescaping really affordable. So stay tuned. We are going to be doing an Easter Spring Tablescape with our new Target $20 dinnerware. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this dinnerware and what kind of bargain I got for this. And also hit that bell so you get notified of our uploads as well as our tablescape coming up. I'm on social media too at facebook.com/group/Amy Learns to Cook. I'm on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. So stay tuned. We're about to tablescape.